Hi, yellow group. This is yellow sort 19. You need 5 different colors. We have 4 patterns, and then we do have an oddball. So 5 different colors. We're going to go ahead and start with our first pattern. So all of your words, or most of your words, have an A in it. They're either going to make a short A sound, or a long A sound. So go ahead and grab one of your colors, and we're going to start right here with short A, consonant, vowel, consonant, with a short A sound. So for example, glass. I hear the sound, glass, We also have stand, has the consonant, vowel, consonant. And lastly, we have past, way down here at the bottom. So consonant P, vowel A, and then consonant S. That's it for consonant, vowel, consonant. Go ahead and change your color. We're going to move on to consonant, vowel, consonant, and these end with an E, so they make a long A sound. They make the A sound. So for example, we have trade. Do you see the E on the end? It makes that A sound. Say A. Brave. Do you hear the A sound? Slave. We have the A sound. We have way down here, shape. A. I hear the A sound. And right above it, taste. Oops. We have the A, and then you have the E at the end. It makes the A sound. Go ahead and switch colors. Again, we're making the A sound, but this time it's an A and an I together. So the A, I together make the A sound. For example, nail. I hear the A sound. Raise. The A and the I are together. Grain. The A and the I are together. Over here, gain. So we have a little bit of difference. Gain, like the dog gain some weight, or grain, like a grain of rice or a grain of sand. Aid, down here, someone to help, and aid. Okay, so these all have the A-I, but they make the A sound. Switch your color again. Let's go on to A-Y. They're going to consider your Y a vowel. So we have consonant, vowel, vowel. For example, day, A-Y. Stay, A-Y. Play, A-Y. Clay, A-Y. Tray, A-Y. Lots of these. May, like may I please use the restroom, A-Y. Oh, gray, the color gray, A-Y. Say, what did you say? A-Y. And down here at the bottom, pray, A-Y. Wow, lots of A-Ys. Okay, there's one oddball left. If you look right in the middle, we have the word they. They makes the A sound, but it doesn't have an A. It has an EY, which is why it's the oddball. All right, yellow group, make sure that you take a picture of your new spelling words, and then make sure you're studying.